5 states has legalized firing squad as an execution method. Those states are South Carolina, Mississippi, Utah, Oklahoma, and Idaho. In recent months, 2 individuals have been executed by firing squad. On March 7, 2025, Brad Sigmund was executed by South Carolina for 2 murders that he had committed. It was the first of its kind since 2010, when Rodney Gardner was executed for murder. The second was Mikhail Mahdi, who was executed on April 11th of 2025 for the murder of a police officer. While some view this method as regressive and barbaric, many people disagree, and even justices on the Supreme Court appear to support it. In her dissent in Arthur v. Dunn, Justice Sotomayor noted that firing squad would cause nearly instant death and be comparatively painless, and result in significantly fewer botched executions. Justice Sotomayor was joined by Justice Breyer, who retired from the court in 2022. In a different case, Justice Sotomayor wrote another dissent where she said that firing squad was relatively painless and vastly preferable to the excruciatingly painful death caused by lethal injection. This dissent was joined by Justice Ginsburg, Justice Breyer, and Justice Kagan. While Justice Ginsburg passed away in 2020, Justice Kagan is still in the court. As more states continue to adopt this alternative, we can only wait and see how this issue resolves in the courts. Currently, 5 states allow nitrogen gas as a method of execution. Those states include Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. However, Alabama is the only state that has actually carried out an execution using this method at this time. In 2024, Alabama executed 3 convicted murderers by gas. The first was Kenneth Smith. The second was Alan Miller. The third was Kerry Grayson. On February 6, 2025, Alabama also executed Demetrius Frazier by gas. After these executions, 3 of the largest nitrogen gas manufacturers refused to supply their products. As we're likely seeing a repeat of what happened with lethal injection, it is unknown at this time how the states are going to respond to this shortage.